Welcome back to Poetry and Police. Yes, big up to all my loyal subscribers. Big up to all the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And like I always say, the good, honest, hard-working police officers in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Big up to all the Jamaican people, the good law-abiding Jamaican people, not the criminal ones, or not the licky ones, or the ones who believe in criminal activities. Because I don't support criminal activities nowhere, no time. And I don't support criminals on my channel. So if you're a criminal, stay away from my channel. Because there's no space for you around here, alright? So now, this morning, what I want to talk about, I've been thinking about it from the other day, like, can a hardened criminal change his ways? And can a man who was a criminal for most of his young life change and become a community leader, a person who can set examples for the younger generation to follow? Some people might say, hey, a criminal can't change. A thief is always a thief. A criminal is always a thief. A criminal is like a zebra. A zebra does not change his stripes. But sometimes I beg to differ still, Because I remember one time I did a essay in school. I took the mute of supporting the fact that people can change. And one of my examples was like, even the devil in hell can change. So I believe that people can change. But not everybody can change. But I believe people can change, especially if they want to change. A man will have to want to change. I see a reason to change for that change to come forward. So now, on that topic, I'm going to hold a reason with a brother, a knowledgeable brother, hold a man for me, very knowledgeable, a man who has been there and done that, a man who has seen crime head on and do some little things out there on the street too, and knows and realize at an early age that, listen, this is enough for me. This is what I was doing was wrong, and I need to change my ways for me. Not for anybody else, but for me. So listen the reason why I go hold with this brother right here now, people. I want to tell me what you think about the reasoning, okay?
You have to have your head by your body because you live down there, sir. And you have a woman up on Maxwell Avenue. The people in my Maxwell Avenue say, yo, be careful, man, you don't say no. The man you say, be careful, man, you don't say yeah, tell us, you just not the middle in the bridge.
Them think the force man for do things sometime and going a gun thing most of the time. Cause some people going a gun thing in the ghetto because them do it to defend themselves, I know man badness because cause I remember all the ratty them days, enough youth join ratty them gang because of fear,
Yeah, man.
Enough youth join ratty them gang because of fear. So them couldn't do better.
They call them the Turner family.
Turner family. Yeah, them are one of the worst set of family in Kingston 13, that's so.
Yeah, them name the ratty gang, them not the ratty man.
You know, say them was the ratty gang. But them, them still a great mayhem right now in Kingston 13, see me.
No?
Then forget say, the boy name I called before, man, Joe. You forget say, him a run the place, him a call, I'm a instigate who fi dead or live.
Joe and my cousin?
Yeah, that me say I don't see him family, brother. Remember the twin them I would Joe when I twin a Joe mother,
Yeah, I want to Laxi, the father.
Him did a prison, I don't know if him come out or if him dead or what, I mean.
He did a prison with one of his son.
Chana did a prison, and then Andrew did a prison. I think they killed Jerry.
Broke and shop up the road there, you come out with that bag of flour on your head. Jerry, oh my God, Jerry said, man, come rob me and kill that one there at a meal, man. Jesus Christ. You never buy my gun for me, I'm going to damn me yard,
So them boy, they stay, man.
Bridget, man, tell us, say, live in
around the whole place, and because of that, enough youth get scared of them.
What me and Jerry was friend, man? Me and Jerry was friends, so when the two boys from Garden come to come rob me and say, Jerry said, kill me, he surprised me. How many man are friends of mine to say some other man to come kill me? When the man to kill me, take the gun off of him. Virgin, I tell you, sometimes I sit back and I look back and I say, John, no, when a man living at the ghetto, Papa, sometimes you don't even think about the box, you just think about the ghetto,
I remember at one time your name was ringing up and so we run a raid by your house one at a time.
Then
And
you
we find whole star and all them sickness of the man. So, what shot at this?
Sir, I just again, you like tell me, say, the man, some soldier, the walk for me, and look for me, man.
And
Yes,
for him time, well, when me a young police daddy that mean, I'm not think you change your ways long time, my youth.
That tell me, say, remember everything, boy, you know, that the kind man tell me this, you know, laugh yesterday, I laugh. See, man, some soldier run some program for me, but you think about it with life, you know, you see, let me tell you what life is, man. This is sometimes when you sit down and think wisely. Sometimes they're on the wrong set of man, them.
True.
And the man, them a think negativity way. And if you think like the man, them, it come like the man, them, you say, well, boy, you're soft. You understand what I say?
True.
I am. So, you have to start to think like the man, them. You really don't want to think like the man, them. But even if you give me a thought back on the mind on the phone, I may tell the man, say, boy, you know, I'm like a criminal right now. I'm like a thief. Certain people may not like.
Yeah.
But me hear certain things. The man upset with me because the man say, it's a price for hear a man like me attack certain things.
But you see, why enough man not understand, you know, people get into, you have a whole heap of youth in the ghetto get into crime because of circumstances out of them control. Like, they can't do better and based off of the man, them their own them.
I know say me get involved in that things because I'm poor, you know. I know because I'm poor.
No, because I'm not poor. I'm not poverty.
Nobody really know my family background unless me tell people my family background. So when me get involved in that things, I mean choose to get involved in it. People don't know my family background. I mean people know my family background. You understand what I'm saying? When you get involved in that thing and they get up, I just I look the hype because my friend them not hit me one hit. I mean never really see the danger of it. And when me get out of it, I'm in the hunts beer. See, me and a man go up on the road and I shoot up going up a one time. And a man getting ring clip and gun recover. And when we go back to station, me just stand up by myself and suit to myself, what happened? I say, boy, me I look back on the man who just get killed a while ago. He say, why you look back on him? He say, because I remember me used to out there, you understand me I say?
Yeah.
And it could be me. I said, no, it could be you, but not you. Then dirty boy, you have to go away.
Yeah, because the thing is, you change your life, you know, it's good to reach a stage in your life when you reach a certain age. When you come to realize now that them things when me are the wrong in a virgin, this don't make it.
It's not even about age, you know. It's not even about age. It's just about you decide, say, you know what? You come to your senses. It's not about come to your senses and say, you go start rethink. And when you start to rethink things, you say, no, this is not good. This is not good.
True. Yeah. But, and the thing about it, my brother, you would never go back in them their life, though.
Virgin, listen, man. Let me tell you something. There's a man. Me even want to hear say a man shot a man. Me even want to hear say a man carry an illegal gun right now. When policeman, a soldier, a license fire, whatever, security. Me even nothing in a criminal activity. Me even want a friend right now. Where involved in them thing there.
But you see, enough people, you know, you have enough man. You have enough man when you believe in a man where they involved in a crime can change. Enough man don't believe that in a virgin, and I believe that people can change, because people change based off a whole lot of reasons, you know. People change for near-death experience. People change because they look into themselves, like in a your case, and say, yo, this is, what me I do, this is fuck. You understand? Me need for this don't make it. It's another life where me really want to live. You know, man, the reason why I'm even going at this in the first place. But you have some people not changing, but some people does. But you have people who don't believe that people can change. And it is good when a man do crime and him just change him ways and start guide all the youth them around him in a different direction and try to make the youth them where going to get himself involved in a crime. But it's the same mistake.
You see, in life, you know, changing not a thing will just happen overnight.
I believe that change happen if you want it to happen, you know.
Change happen if you decide, say you want change to happen. It can and it will. Like a man want to be a Christian. And you say, boy, right now, I'm going to be a Christian, you know. A reason for you to decide to become a Christian, you know. You just decide, say, you'll get up and be a Christian. A reason, you know.
True.
You know something I say? Trust me.
Because
where wrongs are concerned right now, we can tell anybody say, don't look in that direction.
That's why I used to be rude boy. I don't like put down a man for him pass. I don't like put down a man because he was a criminal in his previous life. Me call it previous life, you know. Me no put down a man because he makes some mistake in his younger life and commit crime or even murder to one of them things there. Because people can't say people can change and people do things for certain reasons and people just decide say, yo, me need to change my life right now. You see, once someone do positive to society now, brother, me feel say that erase all the negative what I'm doing my whole entire life. At least give him that. But if you go dig up the man old stone, the man dash pan him, no way my try make changes. That will all push man for go back to where he was before. Because the man I say if me I try, if me make changes in my life and then you're gonna use the bad things where me I run from in my life to throw it back for me now. You know what I mean? Then what the sense? But you have to be real strong for those runners some people and say, me change, you know, so I don't care what you want to say.
Well, listen, you not change for suit people, you know.
Ah, that's the thing.
You change for yourself.
Real reason, my brother.
People don't have a past to talk about.
True.
People have past and they don't want to talk about it because they're so fear of their past. Like you was a person who married and you've been through a bitter divorce. There come a time where some people can talk about the past of their marriage and it come like nothing. Some can't about it. When they start to talk, it's like they started to cry because it's like they don't fully overcome everything.
True.
They overcome everything. Talking about this is nothing. With me personal, when no matter what people want to talk about me, me know who me know who me was, and me know who I am, and me know where I am.
You know where you're going, right?
And me know where me headed to. You understand what I'm saying?
That's the thing, you know. You know where the most important thing that.
Nobody more can pies me. Nobody can try to put me down with their mouth. You understand what I'm saying?
But what do you think about it? What you believe? You believe say if you did continue in them type of lifestyle, I do foolishness, you'd have probably drop out long time, not true?
What me I try to say to you say, from once you came, you don't return.
Not true, man.
People who decide say, hey, listen, I'm straight now, go. Just decide to continue upon the straight because the thing about life is that you have some people who believe in you. You have some people who are look. You understand what I say? So since you have people who look up to you, worse when you have kids and kids grow. Is some of them may hear your life story first time, what was to be happening. Some may feel good, some may not feel good. But at the same time, you tell the kids, say, hey, listen, things that I used to do, I don't wish to share it with you. But listen, there's a straight and narrow road. Choose the straight road. Don't make a mistake and try to correct it because maybe sometime you don't have the chance to correct it. Understand, so the person who's been through it and can tell you about how rough the road is. Sometimes it's hard for you to believe, sometimes you can believe, sometimes you want to try your road and maybe you don't have the luck.
That's true, because the man who's dead and gone can't change it again.
You understand?
Them youth they make the mistake in them life and go into crime and violence. Even some of them, or even though I wouldn't say all of them are mistake, you know what I mean? There are some man a career criminal. You see me I say that? But you know what I mean, any man make a mistake and them can change them life and turn around, then it's good. But some man get the chance because them get drop out.
You know, some man get the chance. Some man get the chance. But even though they didn't get the chance, some man see the chance and some man just decide, say, hey, him just put that behind him and him still continue to do what I do. And some man go on death roll, you know. When I say death roll, I mean, man go through a whole heap of thing, get gunshot, almost dead. It's a warning. Your friend die beside you. A lot of things happen. And it's a warning. But man just decide to continue.
We call the man a career criminal. Nothing can stop them from being a criminal. They love it. It's like when was police and love it, them man they love the bad man thing.
Listen, people say crime not pay, you know.
Crime pay, man.
Me tell people say crime pay.
Crime pay, man.
And how crime pay, it pay the police.
Yeah, true.
The police pay, you know.
Yeah, true.
It pay you, pay the police.
Well, you know, say at first, me, you know, one day, you know, me always I say crime pay, you know, but the question me always ask is, who does it pay? Now, when you say crime pay the police, what you mean?
Crime pay the police because again, When the police hold you, and if the police get now,
True,
your time done.
Crime pay the system too.
So you understand what I'm saying? The system, you gonna jail, you gonna prison.
If you find lawyer fee.
But the thing about it is, when you're doing something which is not right in the sight of man, God, and the law, you yourself must expect there's a consequence toward that.
Yeah, but that's the thing, enough man do crime and them they're not prepared to take the consequences, especially them young boy and nowadays who get themselves involved in a whole of criminal activities. Them and them family and all the mothers too, some of them know them son are do crime and violence, you know what I mean? But they're not ready to accept the repercussions when they get catch and killed by police or they end up at prison or killed by their own friends. They're not prepared for that part there. The money say the glamour part of it where the money and make and choppings are go on. That's the only part them see.
Well, you see, let me tell you something. A lot of people get chances, all right? You have some man say, well, all right, they must sell drugs. You want a house, you want a car, you want this. You get involved in it. You get the things that you desire, that you want, that you was looking for. Time for you to pull out.
True. But some man greedy, some man not pull out.
Now, this is what you want. But because you want too much, more than what your mouth can hold, more than what your belly can hold, it then become greedy.
But the thing about it, it's not even a greedy in a sense, but watch I think now. You see, because when they make the money, my brother, them not use the money wisely. They must flirt the money around. They must splurt the money and live some high life and finish the money. So guess what? Them have to keep going back, to make back that money, because they keep wasting the money. Easy come, easy go.
Those people are not a well thinker. A well thinker don't think like that.
Because them not say, boy, me I'm going to make one 10 million or one 20 million and done with this thing, Enough man go in, when they make the 20 million, them still want 20 more. They make 40 now, they want 20 more. The greed set scene now, and some of them not even only greed, but them not use the money wisely, so they have to go back go look it again, because them not have the money back. Them spend it.
Going back go look it, it's not that you get a first chance or a second chance. It's a possibility you make it a third chance, You know what I'm saying? So in certain thing, you have to think. You have to think. Say, listen, I get involved in this, and you know it personally to yourself that this not going to last long.
But me I say, them are your young boy nowadays. Most young people don't even have the capacity to think, rationalize like that. What you think? Nobody them young boy, you think them a think along that line, Virgin? You think them even think about the repercussions or what them a do or when them a go stop?
Listen, everybody have a brain.
True.
Whether it's shallow or it's deep.
A real thing. A real thing. Whether it's big or it's small.
Yeah. So, you know right from wrong.
True.
You understand? You know when you eat too much, and you know when your belly too full.
True.
You know if your belly too full, you're going to be uneasy.
True.
You know your stomach going to upset.
True.
So whatever a person be doing and is not good, you yourself know, say, this is not good. But some people just look in the hype.
Well, a hype around Jamaica right now, so you hit the nail on the head, because be a hype and popularity and bashment around Jamaica nowadays. That's why everybody in Jamaica turn to crime now, When I know scamming, fraud, one bag of thing I go on now, choppings, and that, the type of life. If a Jamaican want to live the hype life.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, you're not going to wait until you get caught up with the system and the system caught you. You're supposed to be a person where you're thinking within yourself, saying that, you know what, enough is enough, But me can't still live here in this same era, because if I live in this era still, I still have to continue to do this.
True.
So you tell yourself, say, enough is enough.
So you have to be, so in other words, you have to prepare for start a new location, everything.
Your shift. The shift where you shift to a new thing, a new life.
New friends, everything.
New everything. You understand?
But now, guess what I go on now? And Jamaicans, Jamaicans stay ready. Then say you're rich and switch. So, man, you just bad money and just kill it because you switch.
Well, what happened now? A man about think you get rich and switch.
Yeah, that the more think. Once you now roll with them again and move.
There are times you have to meet up with someone somewhere and say, yo, listen, And I rich, me get rich and switching up. Me just start to think my life over and tell myself, say, enough is enough.
But not everybody are gonna accept that. A man gonna say, boy, you better than you go on like you better than we now. Or you know what, we don't need we no more, you know what, you have better friends now. I saw some man look on it, the bad mind people. I saw bad mind people look on things, you know. But if
Yes.
you're a real friend, I go look on you and say, boy, you know what, you're right, you know. I mean, well, I'm not ready for left yet, but hopefully me can left too and do the same thing what you do too. But not everybody's like that. That's why you gotta realize that you're a real friend sometime, you know.
Yeah, everybody not going to realize that. But as we say,
So I'm gonna say this.
you're not going to be doing this to please people. Yourself is yourself. And when you explain yourself and you express yourself to somebody, it left up to the person what the person wants to believe. Yes, I know. But you already put it out there to the person and say, listen, this is it, and this is it, and this is it. No, by talking to that person and you listen to that person, you must realize that after you leave from beside that person, you're not supposed to return.
True.
Because the conversation that you have with that person, the feedback you're getting from that person,
Yeah, you
wasn't
know.
too good.
You know if them for you or against you.
Yes, wasn't too good.
True. That's why you see enough man left the game, you know, brother. And enough man left the game and end up dead, you know. And one of the man them where me know left the certain game and end up losing life was Willie British. You remember Willie British? Willie British, it left the British link up crew and say him done with certain things. Him done with the drug game and him done with everything. And as a result of that, them say him a rat.
Well, the thing about
And
it,
shell
you
him
know,
down.
the thing about it, you know, you can left, but how you left?
But some man, no matter how you left, you know, some man just see it as violation once you left.
Some man see it as violation because
And you know enough organization where you're going now. Certain things where you get yourself involved in. The only way you can leave if you're dead.
yeah, because those men who go and kill them stupid. But are stupid
You can't tell them that.
because they think within themselves that you shouldn't left because you left with some secret.
No, that the thing. And you go tell the secret, or you're not going loyal to the gang anymore or the group anymore. So them see it, and as a result of that, them out want to kill you.
There's something they think you're going to tell somebody. Wear it within yourself. You say, listen, we finish with this. I'm done with that.
All right, viewers and subscribers, you have heard the interview. The interview is not finished, so there will be a part 2 or maybe a part 3 to this interview. It's a very long one where me and this militant guy, you know, we did a good reason about crime and violence and how he became involved in crime and how he managed to escape from the fangs of criminality and the fangs of being a gunman. And you know, we need more people like these who have made positive changes to their lives to come forward and as proof that people can change, and no matter what the lifestyle you lived before and how you get into being a criminal or being a gunman or getting into wrongdoings, that you can come to a point in your life where you realize that what you're doing is wrong, and you yourself, as he said, only you can decide to get out of that life. It doesn't matter what happened to you until you decide what can happen. So stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for listening.